Hey guys, this is Chris and I'd like to welcome you to the back office of your Starien training platform. Now in this video I'm just going to give you a quick guided tour of some of the main features that you will find inside your new back office. Now presently we're in the home page, and on the home page we have a live chat feed for all our members to give us updates, ask questions, tell people about projects that they're working on. And because other members and members of the Starien team can comment, they can interact with you, so you can have conversations within the platform to help you out with questions that you may have, ideas on projects that you're working on, etc. On the right hand side here, you'll see that we've got the Starien member news, which is updates from the Starien team on anything new that's been introduced to the platform. And over here on the left you can see we have notifications of new videos and new training that's been added, and also recently joined members. If we go to the top of the page and we click on profile, this is your own personal profile, and one of the first steps you want to do once you've signed up is to go and edit your profile and fill in some basic details about yourself. You can add your own avatar, and for that we use a service called Gravatar, and when you go to do that you'll see a short video which explains, if you haven't used Gravatar before, how to set it up. You add in information such as your contact information, a short bio about yourself and what it is that you do, and of course you can also add your various websites and social media platforms that you use so that people can also go and connect with you socially. Now within your profile you've also got the live chat feed again, but the difference this time is you'll only see messages and chat from people that you follow. So what this allows you to do is remove the noise of all the members who are talking and actually just look at a stream based on the people that you follow within the membership platform. And following somebody is basically similar to Facebook. You can click on their name, you'll be taken over to their wall where you can click then to follow them. And by following people it allows you to actually message them direct. So if you find somebody who is maybe experienced in a market or an area that you want to move into, or that you're trying to learn some new ideas from, you can follow these people and then communicate with them in privacy on their own wall. If we go back up to the top, we can click on the People tab, and you'll see here these are the people that I currently follow. If I want to try and find somebody on the network, I can use the simple search facility. So for instance, I've seen a guy called John. I can't remember his second name, so I'm just going to search for John, and you can see it's pulled up this member, and if I choose to follow him then I simply need to click on follow. On our next tab we have the curriculum, and this is a full list of all the training that's available within the Starien platform. You can see here on the left hand side it's broken down into categories, and all this training is being added to on a daily basis. The internet is an ever-changing medium and we need to be on top of things if we're to actually achieve our goals. Hence the reason that Starien is always adding new videos and updating videos to bring you the very latest in internet training. Our next tab is live calls, and inside here Starien actually have weekly training webinars. So if you come to the live calls tab you'll be able to see the next date of a live training webinar, and this allows you to come on and listen to members of the team giving some weekly training sessions live via streaming, so that you can obviously find out various different and learn new different aspects of marketing on the internet. We have a tab for marketing resources, and here you'll find more details on things like affiliate networks, Aweber for emails, writing effective ad copy, pay-per-click advertising, Yahoo search marketing, the resources that are going to help you get your business out there and found on the internet. Personal coaching allows you to have one-on-one sessions with personal coaches, so you can actually have some private training with people. Starien Solutions is potentially a one-stop shop for you for any of your sort of graphical needs, whether it be business cards, flyers, creating icons or new banners for websites. So rather than going to outsourced sites such as Odesk and Elance and places like that, you'll find within the Starien platform we have some extremely competitive pricing for anything to do with designing and web development. We have a support tab, so if you have any issues whatsoever inside the platform, you can find things like frequently asked questions, our news feed, or you can just simply contact the support desk and open a ticket and ask for help. And then finally, on this last tab, which is tools, we list for you some of the essential tools that we as internet marketers use on a daily basis. And remember, you have that live chat feed on your homepage. So if you're looking at any of these tools and you maybe want to talk to somebody who's used them before, simply post a message in the chat feed and ask somebody, so that you can get chatting to them maybe on a one-to-one basis and find out exactly what their experience is, and maybe they can recommend the best way for you to utilize one of these tools. Now before we go, if we just go back to the home page, we've got one very interesting tab at the top here called Groups. Now the Groups has an entire video dedicated to explaining how to use it, but Groups is one of the most exciting features of the Starien platform. It allows you to bring in other people into Starien to work with you for free and create your own sort of teams within the actual network. So they don't get access to all the training library like you as a member have, but what it does mean is if you have teams of people working for you or teams of people below you maybe who are doing selling on your behalf, you can invite them into the platform. You get all the features like the live chats and the messaging facilities. You get the ability to upload documents and videos and share those with members of your teams. And you can also break down your groups into subgroups within each group, so you can essentially break up your team into different departments within the network. So to find out more about groups, simply follow the tab and you'll find an excellent video on how to get it all set up. So that's a quick guide on how to use Starien, and don't forget we've got a support page and live training on a weekly basis to help you out with finding a way around and getting comfortable in the network.